Chapter 4: Crafting the Perfect Content Strategy. On TikTok Shop, content is what drives sales. Your videos are your storefront, your marketing, and your sales pitch, all in one. The good news? You don't need to be a professional creator to make videos that convert. In this chapter, you'll learn what kind of content works, how to structure it, and how to start creating consistently. Why content matters. TikTok isn't like a traditional online store where people come looking to buy. On TikTok, people scroll for fun. That means your video needs to entertain, educate, or grab attention while still showcasing your product. Great content helps you reach the right audience, even with no followers. Build trust through real product use. Drive clicks and sales with no upfront ad cost. 3 types of TikTok Shop content. Focus on these 3 content styles when promoting your products. 1. Product demos show the product in action. Highlight features, benefits, and how it solves a problem. These videos are visual, informative, and easy to make. 2. Problem/solution or storytelling. Start with a relatable problem, then show how your product helps. These videos build emotional connection and curiosity. 3. Trend-based videos use trending sounds or challenges, but include your product naturally. This helps you tap into what's already getting attention on TikTok. Mix these formats to keep your content fresh while testing what your audience responds to. Hook them fast. The first 3 seconds of your video are critical. If you don't grab attention immediately, people will scroll past. Examples of strong hooks. I can't believe I found this on TikTok Shop. If you struggle with clutter, watch this. This $10 gadget just changed my routine. Use curiosity, relatability, or a bold visual to pull viewers in quickly. Content creation tips for beginners. You don't need fancy gear. Most high-performing TikToks are filmed on smartphones. Focus on good lighting. Natural light is best. Clear audio. Vertical video format. Showing the product early and clearly. Keep videos short, 15-30 seconds, and include text on screen for silent viewers. Always end with a call to action, CTA, such as link in bio to shop. Click the bag icon to grab yours. Don't wait, this won't last long. How often should you post? Aim for at least 1 video per day when starting out. More content equals more chances to get noticed. Here's a simple weekly plan. 3 product demos. 2 problem/solution videos. 1 trend-based post. 1 bonus or live content clip. You can batch film multiple videos in one session and post them throughout the week to save time. Key takeaway. You don't need to be a content expert, you just need to show up, test different styles, and focus on simple, clear product storytelling. Consistent content, strong hooks, and real product value are what drive sales. Stay visible, stay creative, and let the algorithm do the rest.